today's video, guys, I'm going to teach you how to make a lock hair. So this is my friend's hair. So guys, I'll be using a Jamaica locks. Yes, I'll be using a Jamaica, an expression locks for this video, so make sure you watch from start to finish. So I went on and braid all the hair. So I count everything, so it was 30, and I braid her hair into 30 places. Yes, using a shine and jam cream. So this is when I've done part of it. Yes, I've done the first three. So I'll just go straight and teach you how I made the hair.
It's your girl again. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please make sure you like and subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you. God bless you so much for me.
That's on the right time. So guys, this is how I made the hair. So I'm actually supposed to use a kinky hair like this. I don't even know how to explain it. So I don't have that, so I use this I've forgotten the name. So I use this. You can actually use an attachment also. You can use a rough attachment. You can use this funky hair. Yes, funky hair. This hair used for locks especially. Yes, can use it, but I don't have that, so I just have to use this crochet. This hair I'm using is also a crochet hair, the one I'm using to attach the braid to her hair. So this is how I did it. I joined the hair to the hair, and then I start using this crochet to plait this from the start. Like I use it to ramp it from the bottom to the place the hair ends. I think you understand what I'm saying. I start wrapping it from the down part, like where our hair started and where it stops. So that's how I keep ramping it, and when I get where our hair stops, I tie it like the way you are seeing it on the screen right now. So I tied it. Yes, I tied it as if you are tying a sewing wool. So I tied it. So the best thing you can use is using a funky hair, this kinky hair that they use for locks especially. So but I don't have that. I just have to improvise by using this. So I'll just go ahead and teach you how I made it again. So I attach the top of that thread to her hair like this, and then I start ramping the other crochet on it like this, from the bottom to the, like from where her hair started and to where the hair stopped. So that's what I kept doing from the beginning to the end. So don't forget, guys, this is Ebony Style. My returning subscribers, you're welcome. My newly subscribers, you're welcome also. So please like, share, and subscribe. Click on the notification button, so anytime I drop a new video, you are going to know and you are going to watch. Yes, you are going to watch. And please, guys, make sure you like, and that is very important. So let me go to the basics of this hair again. I counted the braids and it was 30. So I braid her hair. I counted the logs. Sorry, it was 30. So I braid her hair into 30 places. So by using a shine and jam cream, like shine and jam edge control stuff. Yes, shine and jam cream. That's what I used for it. That's why the hair is shiny. So then, and after then, I use this other crochet hair to wrap the particular hair to the locks. So some people, you can go ahead and use needle and thread. People use, but that style is actually local now. People don't use needle and thread to attach locks to hair anymore. So you can just go ahead and buy this kinky hair. Yes, they call it kinky, they call it funky. can go ahead. That's the perfect one you can use. You can even actually use a rough attachment. Yes, you can use a rough attachment to it. So use it to wrap it, the hair and the locks from the bottom, like from the start to finish. So guys, this is the hair when I was almost done. I'm just trying to show you here when I was almost done. Yes, I'm just trying to show you where I stopped. So that's what I kept doing till I'm done.
Yeah.
Tí a bá ṣe irun
To the Lord.
tí a bá ṣe táì tó bá wù ó yẹ kó ju bí lé ṣe.
Hallelujah. Don't forget to say. I have finally made my hair. If you know this. My baby is singing.
So you know the excitement after making your hair actually, Sha. So she was fucking happy, and then we continue. So I added mousse, and yeah, my LED light was off. It was actually painful, so I just have to use a ring light, but it was not like giving that sharp light anymore, Sha. So I added mousse, and then I added spray oil to it. So I added spray I added spray oil to it also. So guys, this is the final look.
Go there for me by more by
Walai. So this is the the end, I mean the outcome.
Yeah.
You know what to cook?
No, what you cook.
Like you know that
Ring lights or whatever. Whatever, yeah.
LED light, I think
LED light.
it have cool. So this is it. Do well and like share.
No, let me just find it. So do well and follow, subscribe, and click the like button. Period. Final. 10 plus 10 times 10 minus 9.
Oh,
Yeah.